10.
Hmm?
We need to wish. We need to wish.
किसको?
Achan ko. I told you about this before.
Okay.
He's watching.
Like right now.
Yeah.
पहले दूसरों का दिखाना.
flying kiss korte. Hi Maman, wish you a very happy birthday. We just want to tell you that you have been a big support for all of us. We love you, and I'm a big fan of your smile. Keep smiling always. And you are one of the most dashing achachans Ditya has ever got. So we love you. Hope you have a wonderful day, and hope you keep smiling like this always for all of us.
Ooh, baby, mama കൊടുക്കൂ ഉമ്മ എങ്ങനെ കൊടുക്കുന്നേ?
The flying kiss.
Flankish. Hi mama, wish you a very happy birthday. You are the backbone of our family. You are always with us. Have a wonderful year ahead, and yes, keep growing younger as you always do, day by day.
Hi Mama, happy birthday. It's really hard to believe that you're 50 today. I mean, really, just look at you. You don't look your age. You don't feel your age. You're so active. You're literally, it's amazing. I really hope that this quarantine period has shown you how to spend more time with your family. So please do and do enjoy.
ഹലോ പ്രതി, 50ാമത്തെ പിറന്നാളിന് എല്ലാ നന്മകളും നേരുന്നു.
Hello Prati, on this spectacular day I wish a very ecstatic birthday to the most incredible and astonishing brother in the world. I pray that God bless you with love, luck, joy and every good thing. Stay blessed.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maman. Happy birthday to you. We love you, Mama.
Hello Pradeep. Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you. Take care. Bye.
Happy birthday, Pradeep Mama.
Happy birthday. Congratulations on completing half century. We hope you have a great year ahead. Bye.
Hi, Pradeep Cheta. This is Janice from Stuttgart, Germany. I want to wish you a very happy birthday and wishes for good health, happiness and success on your special day and all through the coming years. Thank you for your friendship and all your love, and best wishes also to your lovely family, Seema Chechi, Shreyas and Pragya Mol. And wishes to you from all of us, Janice, Jagan, Rashmika and Rohash. Bye.
Happy birthday, Pradeep. Welcome to the other side of 50. Ayushman Bhava.
Have fun. Happy birthday.
Hi Deepu, happy birthday to you. Wishing you good health and happiness forever. And love you so much. I don't have enough words to tell you. I mean, we grew up together. Remember those days when our mom used to feed us from the same plate and we used to eat and celebrate all those Diwali celebrations together. I can't believe that you're 50. Happy birthday again, Deepu. Love you so much. This Chechi loves you forever. I know we are miles apart, but I think of you every day. We love you so much from here. Happy birthday again, Deepu. Love you, Chechi. This is Son Chechi from US. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Deepu. Have a wonderful year. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Deepu.
Happy birthday, Deepu. May all your dreams come true.
Yeah, now that you have hit a half century, may you have the strength to hit a full century. May your life be filled with joy,
happiness,
and prosperity.
Wish you 50th happy birthday to Monu. We are praying for your bright future. God will bless you.
Hello, Pradeep. Yes. Wish you 50th happy birthday. Thank you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Deepu. Happy birthday, Deepu. Happy birthday, Deepu.
Happy birthday to you.
Hi Deepu, here comes the happiest 50th birthday. Happy birthday, many happy returns of the day. So you hit half century. അപ്പോൾ അടുത്ത ഒരു ഫുൾ സെഞ്ചുറി അടിക്കാൻ പറ്റട്ടെ. വിത്ത് ലോട്ട്സ് ഓഫ് ഹാപ്പിനെസ്, ഹെൽത്ത്, വെൽത്ത്, ഓൾവേസ്. ഗോഡ് ബ്ലെസ് യു, സ്റ്റേ ബ്ലെസ്. ഞാനൊരു പാട്ട് പാടാവേ പ്ലീസ്, ബർത്ത്ഡേ വിഷസിൻ്റെ പാട്ടേ. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर दीपू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. Stay blessed.
Sabji, happy birthday. May this birthday fulfill all your dreams and may God bless you to live another 100 birthdays with your loved ones. Cheers.
We wish you a very happy birthday. It's a golden jubilee year for you. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, the button. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, Dibocha. Happy birthday to you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Deepu.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. നിങ്ങൾ നെടുവന് സാധനം വാങ്ങിനാ സാധനം
നോനു ബാപ്പരെ ഇത്ര പാടാ.
Mad or what? ഇത് മതി.
Happy 50th birthday,
Pradeep.
What a great day today in our dear Pradeep's life. Today is his 50th birthday. On this day, I wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you for a long and healthy life full of happiness and peace. Now to talk about Pradeep, I will not indulge in any adulatory words. I will tell only one thing, that Pradeep is our own. That's all from my side.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Pradeep Bhaiya. Happy birthday to you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Deepu.
Many happy returns of the day, Deepu. Happy birthday to you, Deepota.
Hello Deepu, happy birthday.
Hello Deepata, happy 50th birthday and enjoy every moment of your life. Keep smiling, stay blessed.
Happy birthday, Deepu Mama.
Happy birthday, Deepu.
Happy birthday, Deepu Mama. Happy birthday, Deepu Mama.
Bye.
Wish you happy birthday, many returns of the day, Pradeep.
Happy return the day.
Very happy birthday. Deep uncle, I wish you a very happy birthday.
Hello.
Hello.
Wishing you a very happy
birthday.
Love you.
Love you.
Hi, happy birthday Pradeep.
Happy birthday.
50 amazing years.
How many with the same wife?
FYI, did you see the background music and the creativity?
Here.
Shut up. So we try to be all cool and be millennials, which we are.
No, we're not.
You are not.
Millennials.
Happy birthday, Pradeep. Have an awesome year. It's your most amazing birthday. It's in the best circumstances. But hopefully we will meet up again, and not in Pune but in Dubai this time.
Yeah. Please come to Dubai, man. Wish you a very happy birthday and have a lot of fun. Check out a lot of chicks, man. Finish the entire bottle. Full ice करने का जगह से एकदम.
Lockdown. I don't know if women can check out.
Online.
Happy birthday, Pradeep.
Online. I'll send you the links, man. Don't worry.
Happy birthday, Pradeep. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, man. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Etan, पूरे फैमिली ने विश कर दिया. अभी तो विश कर सकते हैं ना?
तो दोस्तों का दिखा.
Oh.
Hi Pradeep, wish you a very happy birthday. Always keep smiling. Your smiling face gives us a lot of joy.
Hi Pradeep, wish you many happy returns of the day. May all your sweet dreams come true. May God give you all success in life. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Prem. Happy birthday to you. Hey Prem, wishing you a rocking 50th birthday. We may not speak throughout the year, but be it any birthday or anniversary or any special occasion, and there you are, dot 12 a.m. and your wish is the first to pop up, always. So here's to our good friendship. Cheers, happy birthday, and God bless. Lots of love from Geeta, Roy, Brandon, and Ryan. Have a great day.
Hello Prem, how are you? Happy 50th birthday to you. जाडू 50 साल का हो गया रे तू. Hi, enjoy with your family. Bye.
Hi Prem, many happy returns of the day. My heartiest wishes on your 50th birthday. Not only today, the coming years also. ഹൃദയത്തിൻ്റെ ഭാഷയിൽ ജന്മദിന ആശംസകൾ. I think it is almost 25-30 years we are still in touch. Let us hope, let us pray, and this feeling continue. All the best wishes. Bye.
Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you. You've turned 50. Can you imagine? You've become 50-year-old. Yes, 50. You've crossed the magic line. And I'm so proud of you. You've always been there for me, Prem, no matter what. I can't ever forget you. You've been one of my best friends. I love you from the bottom of my heart for always being there by my side, no matter what. God bless you so much, and may you have many more birthdays, and may we have a big party together. All the best. Take care of yourself. I love you.
हाय प्रदीप, वाढदिवसाच्या शुभेच्छा. किती? 50 years. ओके, येस, हाफ सेंचुरी. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day and enjoy your day. Okay, bye.
Wish you a many happy returns of the day, Prem sir. Happy birthday.
प्रेम भाई, जन्मदिन मुबारक हो. पार्टी पार्टी. Hey Prem, what should I say about you? Your name itself says love. Many, many happy returns of the day, dear. Happy birthday.
Congratulations, Prem, on your wonderful 50th birthday. Well, this milestone brings the privilege that now you need to get into showing that maturity and that wise phase. Well, don't worry, I'm also getting there soon. You are such a special person who has been an amazing influence in my life. In a way, a true gentleman when we worked together at Lunkat. I've always asked you to call me by my name, Payal, but you insisted to call me Madam and gave me that respect. Such a true gentleman by heart. You appear to be strong-minded, but very emotional by heart. And I would say you work with your heart and hence emotional. But that's what makes you special. And that's why you're so much of a family man. People have come and gone in your life. Some stay close to your heart and some I would drifted away. But I'm honored that I'm still staying in your close circle. And you never miss to wish me on my birthdays and on festivals. So here's wishing you cheers on your 50th. As you get into the next phase of life, which is in a way 40s of today. So young man, wishing you many, many more years of youthfulness, happiness, and may your next half century of your life be as loving as your name, Prem. So, cheers.
2, 3, bol.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Chachu.
Happy birthday, Chachu.
Love you.
Miss you. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello. Prem sir, wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Wishing you an awesome day with a good luck on your way. Enjoy every moment of your life. एक शायरी है तुमच्यासाठी. मैं शायर तो नहीं, तरी पण. आसमान की बुलंदियों पर नाम हो आपका. आसमान की बुलंदियों पर नाम हो आपका. चांद की धरती पर मुकाम हो आपका. हम तो रहते हैं एक छोटी सी दुनिया में. हम तो रहते हैं एक छोटी सी दुनिया में, पर खुदा करे सारा जहां हो आपका. I hope you have a fantastic day and a fantastic year to come. आई तुळजाभवानी तुम्हाला उदंड 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 आयुष्य देव आणि तुमच्या डोळ्यात, तुमच्या मनात असलेलं प्रत्येक स्वप्न सत्यात उतरून तुमच्या निश्चित ध्येयापर्यंत घेऊन जावं अशी मी आई तुळजाभवानीला प्रार्थना करतो. माझ्याकडून, स्पेशली माझ्या फॅमिली मेंबर्सकडून तुम्हाला वाढदिवसाच्या खूप 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 शुभेच्छा. Thank you so much and love you.
दोस्तों का भी हो गया.
मैं ना ट्रिप पे विश करूंगा.
Hello! Talking of the trip, you really need to plan one soon. And here's why. So if you're planning on planning a trip after your retirement, I would be 28. Ethan would be 33. तो आपको हमारे ना +1s का भी खर्चा उठाना पड़ेगा, तो देख लो आप अभी, ठीक है ना? हैप्पी बर्थडे.
So you better listen to the kids now, okay? It's high time we need to plan a trip. വേറെന്താ പറയാ, ഭക്ഷണം കുറച്ച് കുറക്കണം ഏട്ടാ. Okay? So you are going to have only 2 biscuits. Okay, 3, but not more than that. Yeah? Happy birthday. तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. Happy birthday.
तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए. तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
नौटंकी.